when you write down something, your brain offloads it. When you close that notebook and put it to the side, you're telling yourself, hey, I don't need to store this information in my head. I'm actually just going to store it elsewhere, right? The memory card, instead of putting the memory card in your brain, you're putting the memory card on a piece of paper and putting the paper away. But the action of trying to remember the retrieval pathway is the whole point. The whole point is to put effort into remembering it so that you can remember it, not writing it down and forgetting about it. And the fallacy is that like the amount of pages that you have, the amount of notes that you have correlates to how much progress you've made. But I can tell you, I definitely have the least amount of notes taken in Spanish class. Y hablo español con fluidez. And this is what I heard a person in a course say when I was learning Spanish that really flipped this whole idea for me, which was that the language should be in your head, not your notebook. That's the point. The memory card, the information shouldn't be stored up in a page. It should be stored up in your head. And so it's shallow work. When if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.